Hello friends, welcome back with one more sentence correction question. This is again one of the official guide questions. Level is 1, range is 600, concept is modifier. Passage says, since 1970, the number of blacks elected to state and federal offices in the United States has multiplied nearly 4 times. So has multiplied what? The number. Rule before first preposition. So whenever there is phrase before verb, subject will be before first preposition. So what is that? Of, and that's why the number singular. So has is okay. Now what it says, has multiplied nearly 4 times. So the number has multiplied 4 times. Instead it should be number has increased. So it was not multiplied by 4, because once we add 4 times means the number was multiplied, that sense come. Instead it should be the total number has increased, and that's why 4 times multiplying number, that distorts meaning. Option A out. Option B has almost quadrupled. What does it mean? Number has increased 4 times. That is possible, right? So option B is okay. Option C has almost multiplied by 4. The same sense as option A has multiplied 4. So the intention is not that it was multiplied, number was multiplied, but the intention is number has increased equal to 4 times, right? So incorrect modifier. Option C out. Is almost 4 times as. So as, no, it should be as great as. So only as great is incorrect. Option E, the number is nearly fourfold what it was. Unnecessary modifier. It does not add any information. Instead it is making sentence wordy and distorting meaning. So option E out. Option B becomes best option.